Hello UPSC aspirants, good evening. So in my hand today I am holding the most viral and most toughest exam of the recent years, that is UPSC ka 2026 preliminary question paper, which has been held on this Sunday, that is 24th of May 2026. అయితే కొందరు aspirants దీన్ని unpredictable question paper అన్నారు, as usual unprepared question paper, unplanned question paper అన్నారు, and also some of the aspirants has been said that unacceptable question paper అని కూడా చెప్పడం జరిగింది. But today I am here not to judge about the question paper, whether difficult గా వచ్చిందా, easy గా వచ్చిందా, moderate గా వచ్చిందా, predictable questions వచ్చాయా, ఎలా వచ్చింది అని నేను జడ్జ్ చేయడానికి లేను. Today here I am to announce that proudly and happily that almost 44 out of 100 reflections have been come from our test series program and also from our the most successful program, that is Brahmastra Rapid Revision Classroom program. So 44 out of 100 projections have been come from our two successful programs, that is one is our Trust UPSC Preliminary Test Series program and also from our Brahmastra Rapid Revision program. And I will show this with the evidence. Kani, most important thing what I want to tell is that how did we predict this paper? Not only this paper, అసలు మేము ఏం చేస్తాము, టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ అనగానే వాట్ విల్ డూ, రివిజన్ క్లాసెస్ అనగానే వాట్ ఎవర్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ విల్ డూ అనేది I will just show you. Let me talk about the test series. How do we conduct the test series? Basically, first మా R&D team మొత్తం అనాలిసిస్ చేస్తారు. How do we analyze this? What basis we'll analyze this అనేది కూడా చెప్తాను. First thing is, even schedule prepare చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా స్టూడెంట్ ని మైండ్ లో పెట్టుకొని how will student read, how much gap is it needed, how many tests we have to conduct, ఎన్ని లెవెల్స్ లో టెస్ట్ అనేది కండక్ట్ చేయాలి. So we have conducted NCERT test, level 1 test, level 2 test, revision test and also full length test పెట్టడం జరిగింది. So we have been done schedule analysis also and we have been done previous year question paper analysis before starting our first test. First test యొక్క question paper prepare చేసే కంటే ముందు almost for 1 month we have been studied thoroughly the previous year question papers of UPSC. Not only UPSC CSC preliminary papers, we also have been studied different question papers. CDS paper చదివాము, CPF paper చదివాము, CMS paper చదివాము, EPFO papers చదవడం జరిగింది. All the analysis we have been done and next we have been identified the themes. And then next we have been identified the sub-themes, that is we have done the micro listing. And then next we have prepared the questions. ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ చేసాము అంటే స్టాటిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ సెపరేట్ గా అండ్ స్టాటిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కంబైన్డ్ విత్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ సెపరేట్ గా, కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ టెస్ట్ సెపరేట్ గా, మంత్ వైస్ బై మంత్లీ we have been kept actually బై మంత్లీ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ టెస్ట్ అండ్ ఆల్సో what we have done is ఇదంతా అయిపోయాక పేపర్ అనేది రివ్యూకి వెళ్ళడం జరిగింది, where 3 members అంటే 3 committees have been kept for this review. Clear? So this is how our test series has been prepared in a scientific way. First analysis చేస్తాము, even schedule దగ్గర నుంచి we have been done the analysis, and second thing we have been read the previous year question papers thoroughly of different UPSC exams, and the third thing is we have identified the themes which UPSC asked repeatedly. We have been micro listed and from that micro listed connecting to the static, linkaging the static with the current affairs, అలాంటి questions ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది, and finally it went to the review. Actually starting లో to be honest మేము చేసే క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ నుంచి ఒక నెగటివ్ రివ్యూ అనేది కూడా రావడం జరిగింది అన్నట్టు స్టూడెంట్స్ నుంచి. దెన్ we didn't do anything, we have accepted their, whatever they have been said, we have been accepted, but we never lost the trust on ourselves, because our UPSC preliminary test series ka name is also trust. We have trusted our scientific analysis and that is why 44 questions have been reflected. ఆల్మోస్ట్ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ నుంచి 21 questions have been come. Seriously, 21 questions from our test series have been come, and the remaining other 23 have been come from our rapid revision courses, rapid revision classes. ఈ రెండు నుంచి కాకుండా క్లాస్ రూమ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ నుంచి we didn't see the classroom programs, so we are not claiming that apart from these 44 maybe classroom నుంచి ఇంకా 10 questions add అవ్వచ్చేమో. So almost 44 projections have been come only from our two successful programs, that is one is test series and other is rapid revision program. నేను ఒకసారి చూపిస్తాను evidences also. And here I am holding the set D paper. Set D నుంచి first question itself have been come from our rapid revision program. Russell sir is standing here, the most famous history faculty in Hyderabad. You can also see he has been highlighted father of Indian history, Robert Bruce Foote. So Robert Bruce Foote gurinchi discuss cheyadam jarigindi. Who is he? What did he give? And cheppadam jarigindi. The first question from set D is the same question what UPSC has been asked. Second question, what does an empty seat represent in the Buddhist iconography? Deen gurinchi question adgadam jarigindi. And you can see again the Russell sir saying our Brahmastra rapid revision program. What did he highlight as Panchamaha Kalyanas, that is the events of Buddha and the associated symbols with it. See, direct you can see. And then next, ee okka history nunchi kaadu, we have been covered questions also from rapid revision program, like organizations cover cheyadam jarigindi. That is Vinay sir has been told from his IR classes about the BIMSTEC. Not only that, he has also told about Asian member countries and different things cover cheyadam jarigindi, different topics from rapid revision courses. I'm not displaying it, but like 15 questions చూపిద్దామని పెట్టాను నేను, but almost 44 questions have been reflected. And next, chalo let's see again. See the beauty. Amaravati Stupa gurinchi adigaru question UPSC. The same thing in our test series. See, unlike the great stupa at Sanchi, we also have been compared Sanchi Stupa and Amaravati Stupa. So direct lower Krishna Valley, in the lower Krishna Valley, same almost. Similar in fact. This is from our test series. Almost 50 test series conduct cheyadam jarigindi. 50 including CSAT. Including CSAT, we have conducted 50 test series. Next you can see about the Lake Turkana current affairs question. In your set D, it is around 40 place lo ichadu. Let me see, 29th question in your set D about Lake Turkana. This was in recent current affairs. We have been covered in our current affairs question paper 2. That is Lake Turkana, recently seen in the news, is primarily located in which of the following countries? And ఇక్కడ second statement in UPSC, it is asked about location, and in our explanations we have covered the other two statements also. See the beauty of our questions and R&D team. I'm really proud of our R&D team. And see, antecedent drainage system గురించి క్వశ్చన్ అడగడం జరిగింది. I mean statement రూపంలో ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. Which of the following ఇందులో ఏవి rivers identify చేయడం జరిగింది by giving this statements. See, we have covered antecedent river గురించి. How many of the above examples are antecedent drainage system గురించి ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. At least you can apply this in your elimination technique. Elimination లో you can apply this. Clear? Next. See, this is UPSC question. That is one of the statements is saying that Sikkim is the only state that shares its boundary with just one another Indian state. And see the beauty of our test series. Which of the following states share boundary with only one Indian state and one neighboring country అనేసి ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది in our test series. Not only that, let me show you more. India's ONDC initiative గురించి, Open Network for Digital Commerce గురించి UPSC direct question ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. ఇక్కడ మేము 3 statements questions ఇచ్చి we're asking how many of the above statements are correct, and we have been given direct statement here which is your answer. Next, central bank digital currency, already UPI questions అడిగారు. UPSC previous year question papers లో UPI గురించి already అడగడం జరిగింది. So now we have been identified that UPI and associated thing, that is digital rupee or central bank digital currency గురించి question అడగడం జరిగింది. And today UPSC has been combined UPI plus CBDC In our test series, we have covered CBDC, which was in news. And next, crowding out effect. The same question we have been asked in our test series, crowding out effect. Here, he has the direct statements and we have been given two statements in our explanation. If you read, if in the statements also, if you read, you can easily attend this question. And next, multi-dimensional poverty index. See the beauty of this question from our test series. ఇక్కడ MPI is calculated using Alkire-Foster methodology అని అడగడం జరిగింది. Here also our first statement, it uses the Alkire-Foster methodology అని అడగడం జరిగింది. Next, MPI calculated by Niti Aayog has 12 indicators and we have given here, it retains all 10 indicators అని అడగడం జరిగింది. See the beauty of our test series. I'm really proud of this because చాలా అనాలిసిస్ చేసి థీమ్స్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి ప్రతి ఒక్కటి రివ్యూకి వెళ్ళి దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ వి మేడ్ అవర్ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్. నెక్స్ట్, లార్జ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ మోడల్స్ గురించి అడగడం జరిగింది. హియర్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ అవర్ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ వీ హ్యావ్ బీన్ ఆస్క్డ్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ బీన్ మెన్షన్ అబౌట్ లార్జ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ మోడల్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్, యూ కెన్ see the direct question. members of parliament గురించి క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు. unstarred, starred, supplementary questions follow అవుతాయా లేదా అని. we too ask the same. An unstarred question, starred question, short notice, supplementary questions adugutara adagara, whether it is followed by supplementary questions or not. So same question. European Union, this is almost similar. You can see they have given countries, we too have given countries and we have been asked. And in the explanation, we clearly mentioned what are the European Union countries. Next, yeah. And the other beauty also, not only from test series program and Brahmastra rapid revision classes, but also from our current affairs classes also. You can see Vizhinjam International Seaport gurinchi. You can see here I'm explaining the Vizhinjam International Seaport from the current affairs. Next, Zero FIR. I have been explained about E0 FIR and the question reflector is about the Zero First Information Report, that is Zero FIR gurinchi. క్లియర్ గా అడగడం జరిగింది. నాట్ ఓన్లీ దిస్, ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ మంత్లీ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ మ్యాగజైన్స్ నుంచి కూడా. అంటే ఐఎమ్ నాట్ టెలింగ్ దట్ యూపీఎస్సీ ఏదో మమ్మల్ని ఫాలో అయి తీసుకున్నాడు అని కాదు. నో, దట్స్ నాట్ ది థింగ్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్. వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ ఇస్ వీ ఆర్ టీచింగ్ వాట్ యూపీఎస్సీ is asking. Clear? Not the scrap, not the extra information, not the unnecessary information, but exactly we are teaching what UPSC is asking. How we are doing that? Because we are analyzing the UPSC previous year questions and similarly we are teaching you what exactly UPSC will ask. See, because I'm very proud because 44 reflections have been come from our classroom program and from test series మాత్రమే కాకుండా different programs nunchi, classrooms nunchi, coaching nunchi, and also from the current affairs classes nunchi, current affairs magazine nunchi, ila different programs nunchi 44 plus questions రావడం జరిగింది అన్నట్టు. ఈ 44 questions అనేవి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ నుంచి, కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ క్లాసెస్ నుంచి, టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ నుంచి, ర్యాపిడ్ రివిజన్ క్లాసెస్ నుంచి. కానీ మిగతా 44 plus questions ఆల్సో ఐ విల్ షో యూ ద ఎవిడెన్స్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కి కూడా ఒక 10 questions డెఫినెట్లీ వచ్చి ఉండొచ్చు. See, I have been covered about Zero FIR in E0 FIR. So a question have been asked. Next, this is from our current affairs, monthly current affairs magazine nunchi. 7 chakras of India AI impact. Recently 2026 lo India AI impact summit jaragadam jarigindi. And see from that, see the beauty. The summit intellectual framework was based on 3 foundational sutras, people, planning and progress. The first itself statement from the current affairs magazine is based on 3 principles, that is people, planet and progress. And 7 chakras gurinchi question అడగడం జరిగింది. Here we have been mentioned about the 7 chakras. You can see the diagram also, and the diagram based also we have been mentioned that. Not only that, blockchain technology gurinchi. Here he is asking about public and private blockchains. Here we have mentioned public blockchain, private blockchain. Public private blockchains gurinchi mention cheyadam jarigindi, and the other statements also have been reflected. And Mission Sudarshan Chakra was in news. We have been covered that also in our monthly current affairs magazine. Ante kakunda, I am repeatedly telling in the classes that follow PIB and some of the questions directly from your PIB. నేను ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా చూపిస్తాను మీకు. Yeah, for an example, question number 45 లో set D paper లో the Bureau of Indian Standard recently introduced a national standard to test and assess the bomb disposal system. ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఇచ్చారో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అనుకోవచ్చు. No, this question has been directly asked from your PIB. Can you see here? On date 25th March 2026, National Standard for Bomb Disposal System. Directly a first statement has been given from this. See the beauty how UPSC is asking you to read the government authenticated sites, NCRTs and different things, and from there itself we are picking up and we are making you to learn. See the first statement, Indian Standards 19445 is to 2025, which has been here first statement. Not only that, Dhruv 64 gurinchi, 44th question, Dhruv 64 gurinchi. Can you see in the PIB, which is given on the date 15th December 2025, Dhruv 64, India's first 1.0 gigahertz 64-bit dual core microprocessor. That is why in classes I will always tell you that to read PIB. Not only that, let me also tell you Bharat forecast gurinchi adigadam jarigindi, and see the beauty also. 40th question, the two it is there. I'll show you 48th question. Set D lo, which of the following pairs of semiconductor plants in India and the locations is not correctly matched? CG Power, can you see CG Power? The location is Gujarat. Can you see Tata Semiconductor Assembly, which is in Assam? HCL Foxconn joint venture, which is in Uttar Pradesh. So this is a wrongly paid statement option. And next is System Private Limited, which is in Odisha. Directly, see 48th question, ela aithe adigado, the table is there for you. And even Bharat forecast system gurinchi kuda it is there. So if film boom gani, Grand Slam tennis tournaments gani, avi teesesna sare, the question paper at least 50 questions were able to be solved. Migta 50 questions teesesna sare, 50 questions we can solve. And I always tell to a student that what you have to do in your preparation. I will always tell for any UPSC aspirant, మీరు ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి అంటే first analyze the syllabus. Syllabus analysis is most important for your first step. Analysis of syllabus. Second, analysis of previous year questions. Analysis of previous year question papers. Third, learning from your basics. That is very important. Learning your NCRTs. Is very important step. And fourth, a very good classroom program. For UPSC, which contains both for prelims, mains and even your interview also. Fifth, you have to revise in the classes, and ee revision chesindi enta gurtundi ani cheppesi you have to test yourself in the test series. And this is exactly what Abhiram IAS Academy is doing for you. We teach what UPSC ask. That's it. No extra scrap, no unnecessary things. We make you answer writing, we make you test. For your preliminary, we do everything. So, and meeku inka UPSC related ఏ doubts uన్నా సరే 1st to 6th this June 1st నుంచి 6th వరకు we are conducting free UPSC workshop program. From this June 1st to June 6th, we are conducting free UPSC orientation classes and workshop program. Meeku UPSC related elanti doubts uన్నా సరే you can attend the classes for free and end your doubts. This is what exactly we are doing in our UPSC coaching also. So do join us for this upcoming batch, and also meeku elanti doubts uన్నా sare June 1st నుంచి June 6th వరకు workshop program jarugutundi. Do attend that and clear your doubts. Demo vine classes ki join avvandi. See the reflections, see the things what we have been projected. Trust us because we are doing what the student need, what UPSC is asking. Clear? We are here to help you at an affordable rate, that is only for 75,000 rupees. And not only that, ఎలాగైతే టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ ని ప్రిలిమినరీ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ ని సైంటిఫిక్ ఎవిడెంట్ గా కండక్ట్ చేశామో అలానే వీఆర్ ఆల్సో లాంచింగ్ యూపీఎస్సీ మెయిన్స్ కా టెస్ట్ సిరీస్. Trust us and join us for that test series too. And also other thing is we are giving free mentorship council and free mentorship for optional who are writing 2026 ka mains. 2026 UPSC mains రాసే వాళ్ళకి ఫ్రీ మెంటర్షిప్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది ఫర్ ఆప్షనల్, దట్ ఇస్ ఆంథ్రోపాలజీ, PSIR and sociology. Clear? Thank you for trusting us and joining us. For the students who have been joined us already, and for the students, you can see this is the evidence what we are teaching in UPSC classroom program and how is our test series and rapid revision classes. Thank you a lot. And 44 questions reflect avadam is not an easy thing. So trust us and join us. Remember the name Abhiram IAS Academy. Thank you.